So the question is, a thief is going to steal the maximum value from these n houses, but there is a catch. He can't steal in two adjacent houses. Why? Because the owner of the stolen houses will tell his two neighbors left and right side. So we have to find the maximum stolen value. There are a lot of ways of doing this question, but today I will use the tabulation method to do this question. So let's assume these are the given houses with a value 2, 7, 9, 3 and 1. If there was only one house with a value 2 in it, me being a thief have to steal from that house only. So in the DP array at index 0, I will put 2. If there were only two houses, 2 and 7 values in it, as I cannot steal from adjacent houses, I will steal from the house with the 7 number on it, because 7 is greater than 2. Now comes the interesting part. Let's assume there were only 3 houses, 2, 7 and 9. As we cannot steal from adjacent houses, so we do have a choice, either to steal from 2 plus 9 or from 7. And I will going to steal from the house with 2 and 9, as 11 is greater than 7. Clearly we can see a pattern in this question, which is we have to choose the maximum between given value I plus dp of I minus 2 or dp of I minus 1. Let me show you in the next example. When evaluating for the value 3, we have to choose between 3 plus 7 or 11. Since 11 is greater than 10, so in the DP array, we will insert the value 11. And finally, for the last element in the given array, since 1 plus 11 is greater than 11, so the answer will be 12, which will be our final answer. Now, let's code this question. So in this question, we are given a vector whose name is nums. So if nums dot size equal 1, return nums of 0. Okay, now we will create a vector of our own, vector dp, whose size will be equal to nums. And we will initialize the first two values. If there was only one house, dp0 num0, and if there are two, then max of 2. Now for rest of the other houses, we will run a for loop. And dp of I equal to max of nums of I plus dp of I minus 2, comma dp of I minus 1. And in the last element of a DP array will be our answer. So return DP of okay. Okay. So it's working fine. There was some syntax error. So I hope you understood the problem correctly.